Imagine a war so brutal that no one believed peace was possible. It was Christmas Eve 1914, and thousands of soldiers were far from home. Across the battlefield, German soldiers celebrated Christmas in their own way. Tiny lights appeared in the darkness, like stars. Then something incredible happened. Christmas songs echoed across the battlefield. British soldiers answered with songs of their own. At sunrise, one soldier took the first impossible step. Then another followed. Impossible step. Enemies met face to face. Not with weapons. Impossible step. They exchanged gifts, food, and stories from home.
This is my family.
Impossible step. For a few precious moments. Uniforms no possible step.
For a few quiet moments, the fighting was soldiers stood together in silence, honoring those who would never return home.
Some units even paused to bury the fallen with dignity. Rest in peace in some areas.
Soldiers even played a friendly game of football.
Rest in peace.
For a brief moment, the battlefield became a place of friendship.
Rest in peace.
But peace could not last forever.
Rest in peace.
With quiet respect, they said goodbye.
Rest in peace.
The next day,
Rest in peace.
yet the memory of that Christmas has never been forgotten.
Rest in peace.
For one unforgettable day, humanity proved that even in the darkest times, hope.
Rest in peace.
It's about the stories that changed our world. If you enjoyed this journey, like, subscribe for more amazing historical facts.
Please like, share, and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.